Hi, I'm Sanjay Kumaran, Doctor of Audiology, Clinical Director of the Ear Company. So for the last little while, I have been hooked on these home renovation shows. You know where this guy goes in or this girl goes in and they look at this old broken down house or a regular house and they say, oh, we'll take this wall out here or that wall out there, put a new kitchen in here, and it goes from this basic looking house to this fabulous looking place, right? It's very addictive watching these things. Well, as I watch them, they go through the first thing they do their demo, right, where they bring the big sledgehammers in and they start banging stuff down, knocking down cupboards and walls, and as an audiologist, sometimes I look at it and go, look at that. They wear these safety goggles, right, the glasses, right, that's fine for television. They have their steel-toe boots on, they have their gloves on, and I'm looking like most of these guys don't wear hearing protection. I mean, they're doing some really noisy things. They're cutting, they're destroying, they're doing things that really where you need to wear hearing protection. I'll watch them on the saws, and I'm going, okay, I don't get it, right? Maybe they need to be able to hear for television, but you're going to lose your hearing. And I'm not, the crazy audiologist that thinks everyone needs to wear hearing protection for everything, but it's just an example of one of those places where we know what we should be doing, we know what it can do when we don't wear hearing protection, but sometimes we just, for whatever reason, we don't do it. Whether we forget to do it, whether we don't think it's as important as our vision or our toes, for some reason we don't do it. So when I'm watching those home reno shows now, I'm looking to see, do they have earplugs hidden away or something? Because if not, they'll be seeing me soon. Until next time, I'll talk to you on All About Hearing.
All About Hearing is brought to you by the Ear Company on Lansdowne Street. The Ear Company, your best choice for better hearing.